Between PSF, entry price gap, or capital gain, which one should you be really considering? When we want to decide to look at PSF, we always will look at what floor, what facing, what level, what size as compared to the closest competitor. So this is not very easy for most of the buyers to assess. If you were to ask me which one is more important, of course the entry price gap is important, because within the development itself, there will be sellers who have sold at a higher price than what you are currently looking at. Therefore, if similar floor plate is sold at a higher price of a similar floor level, of course the entry price gap is something that I will advise my client to cushion in. But this also involves a lot of research, because you need to really break down every single unit transaction in this area to find out which are the ones that are sold at the same time that you intend to buy, and see the price gap and justify what is the differences to determine what kind of gap. The last one will be capital gain. My clients like to ask me, how much money will I make from this property? So when it comes to resale property, we will always ask ourselves, am I okay to have a 3% per annum growth? 3% per annum growth is actually quite a standard, or rather general. There are actually costs involved during the holding period, like interest, MCST, stamp duty, and also renovation costs. It's also very important for you to think carefully. If I want to look at capital gain, you need to offset all the costs of holding with a 3% per annum gain to determine whether this amount is enticing to you or not, if it's from an investment perspective. Still confused? You know where to find me.